students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, ABCD is a rectangle and APB is a semicircle as shown in a figure. The length BC of the rectangle is 3 times the radius of this semicircular arc. And the total area of the figure, this figure including rectangle and semicircle, the total area is 371 centimeters square. And find the length of the semicircular arc. So we need the length of this arc. So let's suppose radius of semicircle is small r. So if radius of semicircle is small r, so this length is small r, this length is again small r. So this entire length is 2r, correct? So if this is 2r and BC length, see BC of rectangle is 3 times the radius. If this is the radius, this is 3 times radius. So length BC is 3r, correct? Now total area including this plus this is given as 371. So total area is equals to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. So area of rectangle with length 2r and breadth 3r will be length into breadth 2r into 3r. So it will be equals to 6r square, correct? 2r into 3r. Now area of semicircle, area of complete circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle will be half of pi r square. So this will be equals to half of pi r square. And total area in the question is given as 371. Okay. So 371 is equals to 6r square. Let's take r square common. So it is r square 6 plus pi is 22 by 7. So this will be 22 by 7 2s are 14 and 11 by 7, correct? Now this is equals to 371 is equals to r square plus 6 plus 11 by 7, correct? And 6 into 7 is 42, 42 plus 11 is 53. So 371 is equals to r square into 53 divided by 7, which implies r square is equals to 371 into 7 divided by 53. 53 ones are and 53 sevens are. So r square is equals to 7 into 7. R square is equals to 7 into 7 implies r is equals to 7. If r is equals to 7, in question they are asking find the length of the semicircular arc. Means half of length of a semicircular arc means this part. Means they want length of semicircular arc. If it is a complete circle, the length of complete circle is 2 pi r. So length of half of a circle will be pi r. So length of semicircle is equals to half of 2 pi r, which is equals to pi into r. We have r and we know the value of pi. Value of pi is 22 by 7 and r is 7. So this will be equals to 22. 22 is our correct answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.